you can skip repairs and just list as is, big mistake. Hi everyone, I'm Maggie. Recently, a client asked me,
"Hey Maggie, I want to sell my home this year, but I don't want to fix anything or deal with any hassle. Can I just sell it as is?"
Today I need to be clear. Selling as is simple, but it can cost you $100,000. I'm not exaggerating. As is means you sell the home exactly as it is. No cleaning, no repairs, no updates, and no credits even if buyers find issues during inspection. Sounds easy, right? Today I'm going to break down what as is really means and whether it's right for you. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Seattle real estate insights. I'm Maggie. In 2025, my team sold over 160 properties with nearly $220 million in total transaction volume. If you are interested in buying, selling, or investing in real estate, feel free to reach out. All right, let's get into it. Many sellers think, I'm already selling. Why bother with extra work? Most choose as is for 3 simple reasons. First, convenience. No contractors, no cleaners, no hassle. Just snap a few photos and list. Done. Second, they think they'll save money. Repairs and updates can cost thousands or even tens of thousands. Sellers assume as is avoid all that. Third, speed. Whether it's a job relocation, family emergency, or just wanting to cash out fast, as is can save weeks or months of prep time. So yes, as is sounds faster, cheaper, and easier. But this convenience often costs far more money than you'd expect. NAR's 2025 report also shows that cleaned, repaired, or staged homes sell for 1 to 10% more, while as-is homes sell for 5 to 15% below similarly prepared homes. And in hot markets, losses can reach 27%. Why such a big gap? 5 major reasons. First, buyers assume the home has hidden problems. When buyers see as is, they immediately think something is wrong, even if the home is perfectly fine. This label alone damages buyer confidence and lowers offers. Plus, it signals that you may not have maintained the property well, which makes buyers even more hesitant to pay a fair price. Second, buyers lower their expectations immediately. Most people want to picture themselves living in a home, and 83% of buyer agents say condition directly affects that. Many buyers walk into a dirty kitchen or see cracks in the walls. They start mentally subtracting repair costs from their offer. We once had a seller who listed without any updates. The home sat for months. After a simple repaint and deep cleaning, it sold in 2 weeks. Condition matters. Third, your buyer pool shrinks dramatically. Most buyers want to move in ready homes. Very few are looking for a project. Selling as is cuts out regular buyers and leaves you with mainly investors who always lowball because they are calculating every repair cost. Fewer buyers mean less competition, and that means a lower final price. Fourth, many loans won't approve as-is homes. FHA and VA loans require certain minimum standards: no leaks, safe electrical system, and working plumbing. If your home doesn't meet those requirements, many buyers simply can't purchase it. We had a Bothell buyer whose lender refused to approve a home unless the roof was fixed. The seller refused, and the deal fell through. Fifth, the home sits on the market longer, which kills your price. The longer a home sits, the fewer people see it on Zillow and Redfin. As-is home already attracts fewer buyers and typically stay on the market 30% longer than updated homes. Then the listing goes stale, and you are forced to drop the price just to get attention. You might save a few thousand in repairs upfront, but you end up selling a $1 million home for $950,000 or worse. It simply doesn't make sense. Selling as is isn't always a bad choice. There are 3 situations where it actually makes sense. First, the home is extremely old and clearly an investor project. If the home is over 50 years old and with outdated systems and repair costs exceeding $200,000, and the neighborhood is popular for rebuilds like parts of Bellevue, investors won't care about condition. Selling as is works well here. This year, we had 2 older homes where the sellers wanted to sell directly to builders or investors. We helped them sell off-market without even listing publicly, which saved them significant fees and hassle. Second, you need to sell fast, and time is more important than money. If you are facing a financial emergency, need to relocate quickly, or inherited a home you don't want to manage, selling as is helps you close faster. Third, you don't have the funds for repairs. Many sellers face cash flow issues or have money tied up overseas. In these cases, as-is seems like the only option, but there is actually a better solution: a pay after sale renovation plan. You sign a contract with a renovation team. They complete the repairs, and after the home sells, escrow pays them directly from the closing proceeds. No upfront cost, and your home sells for more. Most contractors don't offer deferred payment arrangements, but our partner teams have completed many projects like this successfully. This is one of our key advantages. It's almost always better than selling as is. So selling as is should be a last resort. If you're not in a rush and have the funds, even simple updates like fresh paint, new carpet, or deep cleaning can raise your selling price by tens of thousands. If you're worried that finding contractors and managing repairs is too much hassle, don't be. Our team works with trusted renovation vendors, from painters to flooring companies to cleaning crews, all experienced and transparent with pricing. Just hand us the keys and we'll handle everything. You don't need to be on site or deal with any back and forth. Once the home's ready, we'll stage it, photograph it, and list it right away. Our team listed 68 homes in 2025 and knows every Seattle neighborhood well. If you're planning to sell in 2026, message me anytime. We'll give you a free home valuation and a full selling plan. I'm Maggie. Follow me for more real estate tips, and I will see you in the next video.